This is a 2021 Dodge Durango, the SRT with the 6.4 liter V8 engine. It's all stock right at the moment with the factory mid muffler, the factory rear mufflers in there. We're going to leave the factory rear mufflers in there, but replace the mid muffler with a True X pipe. I just wanted to give you little looks before and after. We'll get back to you. Replace the mid muffler, as you can see, with the True X pipe. Left the factory converters on there. Gonna wake it up and make it rumble. Let's see what it sounds like.